The market is just straight dumping here. We're just dumping. We're just dumping. Uh, Kind of waiting for the 15-minute range. Let's look at the hourly. So what I really want to play into today is like these key levels. Look at these key levels right here at the 25 400, right? I want to wait. I really want to wait for it to reach key levels to enter, right? For possible reversals, because it's been liking reversals lately in this range market, right? So let's see. Just busted through this overnight lows here. We're just pushing back up now. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a tough day. Still. Like, oh gosh. We got news at 9 here. PMI. Let's see price. It doesn't get rejected here, right? Because the past couple of days it has not been respecting the EMAs at all. So if it shows me an obvious sign that it respects the EMAs, maybe there's a trade there, right? But obviously I'm gonna be very careful, very very careful during these holiday seasons, man. Especially during the past few days, bro. It's been crazy. It's been quite crazy. Overnight lows was taken out, so I'm not It was taken out. If we come down here and get rejected one more time, might enter for a long. Maybe. They have to show me they have conviction. Wow, okay. Actually, let me see. I mean, so there's buyers. It's not a bad long here, I think. And it's going to be very little risk to reward. Like a very good risk to reward if I get long here. But you know. I don't think there's a bad long on God. Big doji on the hourly here. So if I've noticed that if there's a big long, like, if there's a big dump candle, right? If there's a big outsized candle, there's always a reversal, like coming. Like you see this big long candle push back up, big long one push back up. So there's most likely, it's very rare that we don't get a reverse. Looks like a good long here though. I want to see this bear flag. If we end up forming a bear flag here, I wanted to get rejected, right? That an invalidated bear flag, good sign to get long. Forming a little bear flag as we speak. As we speak, it's bear flagging right now. Maybe it's bear flag. I actually want to bet on the bear flag getting inverse down here, like how it normally does. After this dump, that big wick, not a bad, bear flagging currently. Normally I would enter on the bear flag here, but not yet. Not yet. Give it a little time here. Be patient. Maybe it comes down, fake it. I feel like it's gonna fake it, like it's gonna dump, but it's really gonna push back up here. So let's see. Let's see. If I start seeing buying pressure, I might enter here. Not here, but at down here at this range here. We're dumping. Give it a little bit of time here for this candle to play itself out. We got a minute to the close of this 2-minute candle. What I'm thinking is, I always think it's gonna break the low with this move here, right? But it gets really close, and it gets waked up. I wouldn't be surprised if they reverse all the way up here. This candle, the volume, let's see, you got 40 seconds. The volume is not looking that good for this little push here, right? I want more volume like this volume for the reversal. Let's see. 30 seconds here. Already getting a bounce. They're already buying it up. Let's give it a second. I really don't think we're making new lows today, right? I really do not think so. I do not think we were going any lower. There's a big wick right there, dude. Nah, I'm gonna wait here. 15-minute range is about to get put in. One more minute. We're getting a little bounce from the ES here and the NASDAQ. Nvidia is also trying to bounce here. Tough spot, man. Tough spot. That might be the low of day. Nah, it don't have to be low of day, but I don't think this is going. Maybe they sweep the lows and go back up. I don't think we're dropping any more. Like, you know, there's too much buying pressure at the moment. Every dip is getting bought up. Look at this. Look. But we could. You never know, man. I'm gonna start long here. If we lose it, let's do a sell right here.
Order submitted.
One sell, and then the next one above this. You know, looks like it wants to go lower, but we could re-enter after if we do get stopped out. Cause I really do think it's gonna reverse here. No, I'm not gonna lie. ES is just dumping. Yeah, this is probably it. I do like the conviction that the bulls are having, but I mean, yeah, we're getting really strong bull buys, bull pushes, but
Order canceled.
stopped out. It's okay here. Moving on here. $80 loss. The thing that's like kind of still giving me some confidence about for the bulls is that these candles right here, they're not pushing that strong. I mean, on the ES is really dumping here. ES is really dumping.
Order filled.
Let's try going one more time.
Order submitted.
One more time here. ES just swept the lows. NASDAQ has not reached a low yet. We need to push up. Hopefully we get a push up here. It's doing it. I like the volume. I like the aggressive move of this. Oh. Gosh darn. I liking this. Push it up some more here. Got my sell limits out. See, they love doing reversals on NASDAQ, so I'm just gonna play into that. Let me draw this out. That big old 15-minute dump. Classic. Come on, man. We just gotta hold these highs here. Really a battle. Really a battle here. I like it. I'm liking it. I might add. Maybe. Maybe add. Not adding yet. Maybe this candle closed. This candle closed strong here. Need a strong close above these wicks. Nice. We just took out these wicks highs. Going for these. Come on. Really trying to hold it here. We got some strong buying pressure, but keeps getting rejected at EMAs. Just leave it. I don't think it's a bad trade. Just banging on the reversal. Maybe we're a little early, but I do not think it's a bad trade. Playing into the chop. Yes, it's still dumping.
Order canceled.
And we just another loss. There's a lot of buying momentum, dude. Like, now I'm thinking we might break the low. We might break the low and push back up, or we break the low and go down lower. Maybe they sweep the 15-minute lows here. That wouldn't be a bad, real idea. Let me see one green candle, like one green strong candle. They're really trying to push it back up. 40 seconds on the close of this candle here. The 5-minute chart does not look. Look at this 5-minute chart, dude. You don't. What are you supposed to do with this chart? What I think is gonna happen, right? I feel like it's gonna, and then it's just gonna get bought up the next candle, the very next candle, like usual, right? So let's see. We sweep the 15-minute lows. Are we gonna get that sweep? Are we? Are we going to get that sweep? See, look at this 1-minute chart. It gets rejected at the EMA 0. I mean, it's respecting this EMA. I kind of like this. Maybe we get like a candle. Close right here. Not a bad close.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
start a little long here.
Order
Sell
submitted.
one right here, and then the other one push up here. Because the ES swept the lows and it's making its way back up. On the 5 minute, it looks good. We might just push back all the way up here. Yeah, if you look at the 5 minute, bad man.
Order canceled.
I might take it all right here. Depending on how these candles move, I'll see.
I could keep it on. Oh, I wish that I could just bite my tongue when I get home and wanna call you up, but I can't fight it. 'Cause you know I'm bad at lying. I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways a hundred of times.
That's real. That's wild.
Stop filled.
Seeing all the watering fill your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they
On days like this, my strategy would have worked. So crazy. I mean, they're respecting the EMAs. Might just reverse now, though. looking at this hour, there's a very big wick down, right? But I mean, new hour candle just started. It's the start of a new hourly candle, and usually that pushes back up a little bit with the start of that new hour candle. Alright, switch to this here. Got a couple more to go here. Oh, we're gonna dump again. Are we dumping through here? Nvidia is holding here. ES trying to go, but it's getting held up also with Nvidia. So, not too sure. Like, I feel like we are gonna reverse this here, right? But it's just a matter of when. When are they gonna reverse this? Or does it go lower? No idea. No idea. We got 1, 2, 3 red candles on the 10-minute chart right now. We swept the lows of this one, of the 15-minute range on the 15. I mean, shoot. I need the ES to go here. If the ES goes, if the ES gets dumps here, might be inclined for a short. Wait for this ES. They're trying it, but we're still stuck below the EMAs. Stuck below the EMAs still, but they don't want it to go. It's not dumping. It's not pumping. It's literally ranging like right here at the bottom of the fucking 15-minute range. Getting a push up. Okay. It's pretty nice volume. No cap. Not gonna lie. Let's see how they react right here. Like it might reject.
Order filled.
Just start one, fuck it. Need this to really go here. It's trying to go here. I mean, it's respecting the EMAs all morning, right? Ain't no way I enter here and it MA goes up here. Ew. That's crazy if it does. And it might, yep. Yep, Congratulations, you played yourself.
Sub filled.
You fucking played yourself. Nvidia ripping up here. We just broke these highs. On the 5, we're still below these EMAs here. Oh my god. That's cool, I guess. That's cool, I guess. I don't trust this move. I don't trust this move. I really don't. Do not trust this. Nope. Got it. They're really trying to dump it. They're really trying to dump it, man. I just don't know. Kind of the dump here. Bought right back up. Every drop is getting bought up. Every pop is getting sold. Don't know. We're trying to, man. We're trying to dump. If we make a higher high here, be better for long, but currently it looks like a short. Sit on our hands here. I have a feeling we ripped back up. When though? When do we rip back up? They're trying so hard, but they're not. It's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. On the 4 hour, we had a big dump candle here, so it's hard. It's hard to go short after that big dump candle. You know, even if it does look hella bearish, right? It looks really bearish, but it's really hard to go short, man. I need this to make a higher high here. There's kind of the pump. Another little rejection here. I still do not think this is a short play. Nvidia pumping back up. ES also kind of pumping here. It is pumping. It is pumping. Getting shorted here at that range, right? It's getting shorted. Draw out the 5 minute. I mean, the 5 minute range is basically the low of this here. So if it gets down here one more time, I'm gonna buy it. I swear, if I get short, I mean, if I get long and it just dumps after that, oh my god, I'm gonna be, oh my god, 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 oh my god. Looks like they might be pumping it back up. No, I'm gonna wait till they short it back down here, because I have a feeling it's gonna happen. I have a feeling it's gonna happen. I have a feeling we pump up a little bit, thinking it's gonna go long, right? They short it one more time on the bottom, and they'll pop back up again, just like how it's been doing the whole time. Yeah. And if that doesn't happen, we pump up. Maybe they reject the EMAs after that, but I'm gonna wait here. It's good volume. The volume is better than the previous candle, which is good. Right. At the top of this kind of range, and it's getting shorted back down. There it is. You see? God damn, man. What is going on today? I mean, it kind of did make a higher high. It did make a higher high. Well, not a higher high. Yeah, it did. Kind of made a higher high. Let's see if the bears want this. Let's see if the bears want this low, or so we can buy it up. Bears come in here. Definitely looks like a long setup. So we're holding it here. They're holding it at the highs. There they go. Kind of a dumb here. Get down here. It's kind of the okay. Let's see the close on this. Yeah, we just dump in. We just dump. Makes a new low. It made a new low finally. No, I do not know about the loan no more. Maybe. Maybe. Oh my God, are you serious, man?
to talk, didn't care what I hid. So much that I forgot who I was to start with. I let them call the shots and dictate how I lived. Didn't know how to stop, just got one lost until you stepped in.
There's the push back up.
Really knew, I never really told. But you saw what they could dance in. A faded heart turns blue. Broke my mirror, undid my lies, unlocked the flames in my eyes. You unspoke the fears that I hid behind. Now you brought me
I like that reaction.
Order filled. Order submitted.
First target, my second target, probably, yeah, right in the middle of these EMAs. 5. Nice. No. Here's the pop back up. I'm gonna take one here. Come on. This was kind of the move I was looking for here. Definitely here. If this comes all the way back down and stop me out, there is no way. There's no way, right? There's definitely no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I'm just gonna move my stop up to the bottom of this candle. I do not believe it. Really liking this trade. If we get a pop, I'm gonna take
Order
it.
filled.
There's one. I'm gonna break even now. I'm gonna break even it. It's hard to believe that after that big move, there's gonna be a dump, right? I mean, this is a free trade at the moment, so I'm not gonna panic exit. free trade, so I mean, I'm not scared. See if we can maybe tap the VWAP. Tap the VWAP. Get me out of this. Tap the VWAP and get me out of this. Nvidia is pumping right now. Nvidia is pumping. ES is trying to break out of the VWAP, above VWAP here. We get through 600s, we have room. I'm gonna trail this down. Below here. Low the EMAs. I believe. Y'all believe in miracles? I believe in miracles. I believe in miracles. Push it. 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 I'm trailing it down here. If we don't go, it's alright. This might just come down, stop me out to go higher, but it's okay. Just need a little more push. We're getting stuck at the EMAs, but I'm pretty sure they want to come up and test it one more time here. If we come up, break the high of this candle, that will give us a little juice. That will give us a little juice to take me out of my trade here, to hit my target. Just needs to come up a little more push here. Either way, this is free trade. I'm tired of exiting early and not getting this full R&R here, so I will hold it. We just need a little bit more push, which is not far from my target. Come on. I'm getting stuck at the 600s. Oh, breaking through now. I like it. ES trying to go now. I'm gonna trail it below these now. If it goes, it goes, and if it doesn't go, stops me out. It's fine. There it is. There.
Target filled.
Yep. Oh. Still in drawdown. That was the move I was looking for this whole morning, right? I'm just not patient enough. This right here was a really good fake out by them because it looks exactly the same as this. It looks exactly the same as this. But it didn't go high, right? It didn't go as high as I wanted to. Oh my gosh. Now we wait. I mean, that wasn't a bad trade at all. Nice little, that was like a 50-point trade. But let's just wait here. Now I needed to maybe come down and revisit these EMAs and get a push up. But I'm gonna wait.
There's more to life that we have yet to uncover. How strangely it can feel to be brand new. Yeah, only time reveals paths for us to
Pushing it. I could have trailed my thing here. It's alright. It's okay, right? Profit is profit. Well, yeah. That wasn't a bad trade after like 3 losing trades in a row, right? We just need a couple of those, and we'll be good. Now we're in the middle of that 15-minute range, right? Which likes to act as resistance, so I wouldn't be too hasty to act on this. Still going, dude. Yeah, I should have trailed that. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Could have trailed that. Could have trailed it right under this one. I would have gotten stopped out right here, though, for sure. So I guess that was good that we didn't trail.
just wanna live my life. Took a while, but it's finalized. What I live for is what I like. No time to be wasting my time. Fuck off if you're killing the vibe. Play toss right now, there's no decipher. In charge right now, I am the rider. I just wanna blur out my feelings and some of these things in my mind. Don't care if you care, best believe me. Just wanna live my life.
Getting a little reaction. I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna let it play out. Take a mental break here. At least 5 minutes. Let's wait for this 5 minutes to close. Don't act.
Just wanna live my life. I'm in a new role, I'm in a new page, doing my own thing. I'm in a new lane, prefer to me right now than yesterday. Just let the old view of me fade away. I just wanna blur out my feelings and some of these things in my mind.
Still trying to push it.
Care if you care, best believe me. Just wanna live my life.
I don't want to start a trade until we get down here. Maybe at the previous support level or previous resistance. If it turns support, which is down here, I want price to get down to 25 600s. I need that level to hold, maybe for another buy. Nvidia is just rocket shipping right now. Nvidia is just pumping. It's bounced all the way from the bottom here to making new highs. No, not new highs. Not new highs. Took a high of day. They look like they want to pull back here. Like I said, right, after that big dump on the 1 hour, it's hard to believe that we go lower. And especially in these conditions, right? These markets has been very reverse bound, basically. Like, they love inversions. Basically, the Nasdaq has been loving inversions, right? Like, it's happening right now. Right now. Boom. Like, you know, especially after that big move, I really don't think we're going higher now. It probably will, like, retest and maybe push up from there, but like on the 30, you see this, we're getting held up here at the EMAs. In the 5, we pushed through the EMAs. Now we're just dumping straight back down here. So let's see. I need buyers to show me they want this level to hold. Look at this hour. If this close up here, right? If the hour candle close up here, we're just in 11 minutes. Because after a big hour, after a big push, right? You see how there's always a retest of the hourly candle. Like after a big push like this, boom, big push, boom, big push. Kind of a retest around here, right? Push, retest, dump, retest, dump, retest, push, retest, and then push and then dump. Like there's always it's a strong probability that if this closes green, the next hour candle will start by testing the last one. So we might wait for the hour candle to close, which is a good idea at the moment because that will kind of keep me from taking dumb trades like I did this morning. I admit those were stupid trades. I was just rushing those trades, and even I said today that I was gonna be more patient and wait for my levels, right? And I did wait for the levels. My levels these were the levels I was waiting for, right? But I took one dumbass trade here, thinking it was gonna be just kind of like I had that thought in the back of my head. Yesterday it didn't sweep the lows, so why would it do it now, right? But yesterday is not the same as today. So, yeah, I took one dumbass trade here, didn't sweep the lows, took me out, swept the lows. I should have entered on this sweep back up. I think I did, but it just never hit my target, right? And it went down, took me out. I think I entered on this one. I wanted these, and then I shorted it, took me out, went up, took me out. So at this point, I'm just gonna wait for this hour candle to close. And if, yeah, see how this candle closes. That's really it, man. We got 9 minutes till that candle closes. So we'll wait here. So 9 minutes. That's probably like that's the close of this candle, and then the next 5-minute bar. So let's just wait here. Be patient. Be patient. Very patient. Wow, it's really dumping, huh? Back down to the 15-minute range. We got about 8 minutes left for the close of this hour candle. It's looking really not looking like nothing here. Big wick at the top, kind of a big wick at the bottom. Small body, you know. Let's see. Let's go Doshi. Doshi. Look at this kind Doshi candle. No idea. Doshi candle. See how this close. Jeez. Getting a reaction back up. Not convincing. Nvidia pumped up, now getting a little pullback. It's holding right here. But I want to see this maybe go for the lows. Test the lows one more time. I mean, it kind of did, right? But getting stuck at the EMAs. Jeez. Sorry for the yawn, man. I'm just tired of this bullshit market. Go. I like that better. I wish there was a way to make like a dash lines, you know. Maybe there is, I don't know. So we wait. News already came out. We don't have any more news today. FOMC. Nah, not really that much news today. It's 40 seconds for this 12 minutes candle here. Looks kind of bearish, but you know, what can oh, it looks a certain way and it doesn't do it, so. No idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. Had a little reaction back up here, but I mean, not what I was looking for. We need a little more conviction. That hour candle closed kind of like a doshi here. 2 wicks on either side. It could really go either way. But I really don't think, I do not think it's gonna dump. I do not. Honestly, I don't. Getting reactions down here. That's what I like to see. So I want to see like an exhaustive move, right? And then get spot back up quick. Like a final push out the bears here. Give me like an exhaustive push, final effort push for the Bears, and then the Bulls coming back in saying no, 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 no. Right? That's what I want to see. Just like exactly like what happened here, right? Boom, they tried to push it down, got rejected, and then we just rallied like 60 points, like 100 points back up.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now.
Dumping again here, it's breaking through the lows. Still not the move I'm looking for. We need like one exhaustive move and a push back up. Not yet, not yet here, not yet. This is the first reaction to the level. Still need defend, still need buyers to come in. If we get a new low, not great for longs. We get new lows, honestly. We did get new lows. That is new lows. Now, do we think we can up dump? Or that's the low of day here?
So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know.
I see shorts kind of coming in. I mean, longs. It's just the actual dump. I'm here on the 1 minute to, you know, get a more precise entry. Do we long here? Do we long? We wait for the close. It is 1 minute. Might be a long here. Nice reaction. I like this reaction. If this candle holds, let's see if this 2 minute candle close here. I'm re-enter for a upside push again. Might join the longs here. Let's see. Getting a push back up. Okay. I'll pop back down.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter.
Order submitted.
And go like that. I'm not gonna lie, maybe it's doing the exact same thing as before, right? That's way too obvious of a trade, I think, but getting that push now.
Order submitted.
Very nice. Hit my target here. Come on, do not reject. Do not reject here, man. Now we're risking way less. Tap me on my first target.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Second target, a little bit. Maybe there. That's a strong bullish candle, so I will hold this. I'm taking it right at the 21 EMA here, so if we reject here, hopefully they just test me out and reject, but we did take partials, so let's see if it comes down and stop me out. Strong push down here. Not liking that. I mean, if it comes down and stop me out at the bottom of this candle, not too bad of a loss. It's gonna be like a $10 loss.
Stop
Here we go.
filled.
Stopped out. It's all good. We took partials. That's why we take partials. I'll be right back. Go to the restroom. Straight back up, huh? Straight back up, huh? I mean, that's a good sign. If it comes to visit this one more time to the downside, I'm gonna re-enter. But it has to come down and revisit the lows. Still kind of stuck right here at the EMAs. I think I trailed it too tight, but I mean, rather be safe than sorry, I'm not gonna lie. Getting a little bit of rejection.
Feeling close behind my time of pride. I seize up in my skin. I gotta reach for what I want in life. Today work ain't my thing.
Nvidia kind of holding after that push here.
Jump into the drums and itching to be free again. Happiness depends, and this here now
Little rejection.
cool out. No off this fight, and love is what we need aside. Strong freedom is our fight, yeah. Strong freedom is our fight, yeah.
Right here. Let's look at the hour candle here. Hour putting that little wick. I mean, I like it. I like it. I really like it. I really do. I wanted to see the Bears. Maybe. Try and put in the. Try and make another push. Nvidia is pushing. I'm gonna
filled.
enter here and then stop at the bottom of these candles. Five here. Yeah. See that push. Let's see that push up here. Above the EMAs.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take one. Not great here if we don't push. Give me a push. 3. mean, it broke the highs of this candle. That's a good sign, but okay. Getting a little push here. Nvidia. ES trying to. It's trying. There he is. It's pop. There's the pop. Nice. I'm gonna leave this down here. See. $20 points. See if we get a little, like a 10 more point. Give me like 10 more points. Let's knock us out of this trade here, bulls. Seconds to the close. If this close bullish is closing bull. If it closed bullish here, I'm gonna move it to the bottom of that candle. Oh my god. Actually, I'm not, because they like coming down and testing this. But I don't see why we don't tap my target here. Like, it's right there. It's dead right there. Move it up above this candle because I think it's gonna go there. It's a good long setup candle. There's no way they do it against me. Give me a little push up, guys. Gosh darn. Give me a little bit of juice. Come on, bulls. Give me a little juice. Juice it up. Like 5 points away from my target. I'm moving it to break even now. I'm actually going to trail it below this candle here, because if it doesn't
Target
go up, it's going to go down, take me out, which is winner. Winner. Okay. Moving on. So we know there's buyers down here. That's a given. Thing is, do we want to play into the shorts also, right? Because it's a range. You can see this big old range. This big old range right here. Kind of like this, right? So if this comes up to this range, gets shorted one more time here, then we'll know it's a range for sure. But that was not a bad trade, right? Let's see if I can take another one here. Not here, not now, but you know. What I want to see is the reaction when we get up here, right? That's the reaction I want to. That's what I want to see. Is how we react when we get right here. So now we wait again, right? 2 winning trades in a row after those 3 losses in the morning. You know. Making his way back up. Want to see what happens here at the top. It didn't sweep these highs when it made a rally up here. It didn't sweep the highs. So maybe it goes for the highs now. Right, you see that exhaustive push down, right? And then it gets rejected. Exact same thing happened here. So I want another exhaustive move up and then another rejection from the bears. Maybe we enter on that. Rejection. No, I want to see a final push out of the bulls here. See if they give us that. Look at that wick put in by the hour candle, by the hourly. That's a big old wick after the sweep of the bottoms here. Big old wick. Big old wick. Need the bulls to give this a final little push here, maybe. Because the bears they're already looking to short this down. So see if the bulls lay down and just let it happen, or they fight over this little area. Of course, bottom of the 15-minute range. So open, we dump down, and then we've just been this whole day. I'm gonna draw it out here. Oops. Just so see this a little better here. There's the top of the range, and I'm gonna draw out what I think is the bottom right there. So we get up here looking to short it around there, and then we get the bottom looking along it. That's simple. Let's see if we get a little push out at the bulls here. Here's a little push. Want to see him get to the top right around here. Let's see. That 5-minute chart on the ES looks very, very bullish. All the wicks at the bottom here. Same with the Nasdaq. Look at all these wicks at the bottom. So I mean, they love doing that shit. They love making it look like a long to short it back down. There it is, this little push out the bulls here. Let's see if we clear the 600s, 630s. Nvidia is just mooning right now. That thing gone. Nvidia gone. She is gone. Getting that push. but it's not really going. You see how it's getting immediately sold? I just want to see. This is what I want to see here. It's exact same as these, right? Buy, 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 buy. Getting short as soon as it touches this top. Short, short, short. I want a final little push. Final little push here. They're just playing around this 15-minute bottom of the 15-minute range. Need a little pop here. Alright, Nvidia was pushing, now it's getting a little pullback now. Here we go. Do we get that push out the bulls I want? Here, push up, maybe take out these highs. One more time. Okay. Kind of liking this push. Alright, we finally break. If we push up, there's a chance we just break out from there, right? Which is not a bad thing. We're finally doing something, right? But this market, I don't think we break out, honestly. I think we fake a breakout and come, and we fade the breakouts. I think we fade the breakouts in this market. Definitely. Definitely try and fade it. It's not helping that that it's dark outside right now. It's raining, or it was. Just getting sleepy. We're getting that pop up, but the volume is not really correlating here. Very low volume compared to these. So maybe we get up here. We get up here. Getting a rejection now. Oh gosh. Not quite at the top of this range yet. It might be, this might be the range right here, right? I don't know. Look at this. It might be the range right here. Like that. I like that little rejection here. That's a nice rejection. Breaking through the lows again, exactly like this candle here. You can see it broke through the fucking EMAs and it just never went. Getting that little rejection. I don't like this. Still don't like this here. Nvidia is pushing hard. Holy. Right here in the middle of the range that I drew out. So maybe I wanted to hit the top. Ideally, I wanted to go up here, get rejected up here, not here in the middle. Right? I want it to be rejected up here at the top. It's either we play the bottom or we play the top. I'm not buying here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not buying here. I'm not selling here. I'm not buying here. I'm not doing anything here in the middle. Right? Be patient. It's gonna go. Like, it's going to go either direction here. It's gonna go. Getting that pullback. So it's kind of weird because we didn't make a higher high. It's definitely just ranging here. Let's see if we go down for these lows one more time. Yep. Looking like they want to go for these lows again one more time. Got it. Look at it. So they want to just look at it. So this dotted line. action. Damn. I mean, this is exactly what trading should feel like. Boring, but I mean, if exciting. If trading is exciting for you, dude, this that you're just gambling. Um, I'm pretty sure my problem is I just take the morning way too literal. Like the morning is just a chop fest. Like first couple minutes of I want to get open. Like first, I want to say like 20 minutes. It's just bullshit. Look at it. You can see, look at this chart, bro. Just bullshit, man. And we didn't make a higher high. Didn't make a higher high. Not very convincing for longs, but this little pop. Like I said, I don't want to play around in the middle of this range here. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. See if we can make a little higher high. Let's just break these candles highs here. Wow. That thing going. That thing going. Still in the range. Now, is this a real pump or we're just gonna reject at the top of the range again, right? So that's the question here. If this little pump can hold, we'll see how it reacts to the top of this range, right? Let's see. Dang, look at that fucking candle up. That looked like a definite short for sure, right? But We're gonna see how it reacts up here. Oh my god. Holy freaking moly. Look at this candle, dude. Somebody look at this candle, man. Oh my god. Now it looks like a really good long. Let's see, let's see. Straight up. Straight the fuck up here. It's getting to that little spot where I want to look for maybe a reversal. See if there's any cross. I want to look for the EMA crosses too, right? 10-minute, still. No. Look at this. You can clearly see this range playing out as we speak.
No one will ever tear us apart. I'm falling in the dark. Although I know that you'll be right by my side. I wanna make you laugh right now. At the beginning of our love, yeah, we forgot we had it all. And after all,
We're getting a high. We're getting a little push to the highs here, and let's see. The volume is looking good for a push higher, but let's see what the Bears got to say about this little push here. Still going. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Here's a little reaction at the top here. I expected. This was expected. So, trying to see maybe like we get a little push out the bulls. Come back down a little bit, maybe. Come back down to at least test these EMAs. I'm pretty sure that's gonna, or yeah, you know, the VWAP EMAs, same thing. Not the same thing, but. So, looking for a push up, take out these highs, and then come down to the EMAs, at least to the EMAs. There's the push. 2 minutes to the close. It is 5-minute bar or 1 minute. 50 seconds actually. Little push. It's trying to, but you see I was struggling to even break the highs. That's a good sign. If you're short, if you want to go short, right? Obviously, see this little range. Trying to go. It's really trying to go. I want to see a push, break the highs, and come back, and then instant rejection. Nvidia pulling back here a little bit. ES has not broken the high yet. We look at the 15 right here, struggling to break through even my range line here. Blue line of death. The blue line of death. So this hourly candle is about to close in 4 minutes, right? And it's a very strong push up. This big green candle. Big green, strong, bullish looking candle, right? And that usually means there's some kind of retracement soon. Maybe after the close of this candle. I am going to short if I see a sign of exhaustion. Here goes a little push back up here, a little push out the bulls, which is expected. Right. There we go. Pushing back up. Now we are in the exact same place, the middle of the range again. An hour ago, we were in the exact same place. So we haven't moved at all. If you really think about it. If you really think about it. I want to see a little push, more of a push here. Out the bulls. Like a exhaustive move, right? Trying. Yep, here we go. There's that little push. That little push. Is this the short? Is this the short here? Look at the 1 hour. I think we have 2 minutes to the hourly candle closes. It's about to close very bullish. 2 minutes. I mean, a lot can happen in 2 minutes in the NQ, guys. A lot can happen. A lot can happen in 2 minutes. So let's wait out 2 minutes for the hourly candle to close here. We still got a lot of downside. If I'm short here, we have a lot of downside. We got plenty of room. I want it to come back below the range here and hold. A lot can happen in 2 minutes. like this candle can dump right now 100 points. I would not be surprised. I am not gonna lie. I would a little bit. I will be a little bit surprised. A little bit surprised, but not that much. Because it happens all the time. All the freaking time, dude. All the freaking time. Straight back up here, pushing through the EMA, strong. We might just be bullish now, but it is very hard to get. I mean, there's very rarely we continue this trend up. Very rarely, it's always a little push back down. So not always, but there's most likely little push back down here. I want to see bears coming back. Into the market, and maybe we hold below the range. You see, there we go. The hour candle closed already. Our candle closed very, very, very bullish. This is a very bullish close. And they're attempting to keep this momentum going. They're attempting to keep it going here. See if it works. See if it works out for them, or we just reverse back down. You know, could be a thing. We're getting a little push back down. I like that. Like that rejection. It's looking pretty good here for a short. Some more confirmation. I'm gonna wait for a little more confirmation. I mean, we're holding the top of this range. Looks like sellers are coming back into this market here. You see by the volume of this candle, right? This doji. Buyers and sellers are fighting over this spot right now. So if we get a little bearish close, get a bearish close, wouldn't be bad to short this here. Wouldn't be too bad of a short here. If this candle closes around here, right, or if we get like this strong push down, Nvidia is just, it's hard to get long after that big push on the hourly. I'm pretty confident on a short here. Just a matter of when is it gonna dump. I think it will dump. Well, it won't dump all the way down, but it will probably retest these EMAs. At least. You know. At least. Looking at the hour here, it's trying to put in that wick. But you see how the volume of buyers, right, is dying down a little bit, like big volume, slowly dying back down. I want to see a weakness, like a bar that shows weakness from the bulls. If not, we just go back up. You see, look at this. The volume on that buy here, very low compared to the previous, right? So let's wait here. I need to close below this, maybe the EMA. Volume stacking back in. Close right here. Close below these candles. Be ideal. Ideal. 5 minute. That's a come on, let me see this close. Good close here. Nice rejection. It's a very nice rejection. Oh my gosh. Not too much now. Calm down. Not too much. Getting that rejection we wanted. Nice. There we go. Let's see if we get another push up.
Order filled.
Oh,
Order
oh,
filled.
wrong side.
Order filled.
I'm a shorted. Oh, I only shorted one contract. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna add here. We get a rejection up top. Give me a strong close here. Give me a strong close. I will add. Getting the bounce. Getting that little bounce. Oh my gosh. Let's try and
When I first met you, wish I would've known. I should've let myself get so close. Now you're the reason that I'm always hurt. Wondering if I
if you push back up to here, I'm gonna add into a short. Come on. Nvidia just rejected the highs here. Nice. See if we can get a push back up so I can add into this. Might not get it. Yeah, we're getting a push here. Kind of a strong push, but you know how that goes.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add here. Take one.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Selling it.
Order submitted.
Take one here, and then the other one before we get to the lows. That 5-minute close, very strongly bearish. Back down towards that range, right? This gives me a tiny bit of conviction to hold this here. I'm gonna move my stop though to the high of this candle. See if we can break the lows and continue down lower to my. If we take out my first target, I'm gonna move to break even. We just gotta pop through the VWAP, which looks like it will try and do here. Pop through the VWAPs. Nice. Take out these lows. We got more downside. Take out these lows. We got more downside.
I've been down this path trying to find a place to call my own. If I believe it's up to me, then I don't need this place alone. I've been down this road looking for the lights.
Now we're getting stuck at VWAP on the 5. Right. I like it. I like it. Just need to dump. Just dump through. Dump through the lows here. Liking it. Liking it. Come on. Get the reaction back up. Alright, I'm not liking that reaction here. Not ideal. Really do not like that reaction back up. Looks like we will get stopped out. We don't reject here. rejection like now, or we're getting stopped out. Jeez.
Order filled.
I'm getting out. Do not like that reaction, right? Another little rejection. Do we re-enter on this rejection? We're trying it again. Are we bullish the rest of the day now? Not sure. They're holding the 600s. So if it was gonna dump, it should have already went right here. This would have been a dump, but no, they're holding here. Let's see if if we come back down here and they hold that as well. Getting that little dump. Sorry. We are still trying to retest now. I mean, we're not pushing out of the range. If I didn't move my stop here, it would have been good. Making lower. Two minutes for this. So we gotta push up here. So we made a lower low. They're buying that shit up. They're buying the fuck out of that shit. Buying that shit the fuck up. Maybe a little push higher here. We're right here, stuck at the EMAs. Um, we're trying to push up again here. They're not really pushing it here, man. You know, they're not really making higher highs. It looks like it wants to dump. It really does. We already kind of put in that wick. Yeah, so what I want to see is maybe a push down, and I'm gonna buy that back up here. I don't want to really short. I think I'm getting off for the day here. Kind of tired, but I'm still gonna look at the charts, see if there's any trades. But we're heading into lunch hour, and the volume is dying out. I want to say there's like one good trade left, but yeah. See y'all when I see y'all.